This is gonna be the Elser Miami, room 3412. Let's check it out. First, we're gonna go ahead and start in the bathroom. We got a nice big mirror. Vanity, makeup mirror for the ladies. We got some artwork. Nice shower. You have your toilet. You come out, you have your little kitchen area. Dishwasher, sink, coffee maker, stove, microwave. You got the TV. It's a living room area right here. And then to get a good one of the kitchen, you all. Sorry about the bags. And you got a digital temperature control. Closets. There's plenty of space. And then you can actually rotate this TV to turn around. Really cool, y'all. So when you lay it down for the night, now you got the TV facing your way. And then for the the views, you all, let's check it out. Downtown Miami, Elser. The views. Let me know what y'all think. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.